Right guys, so the plan tonight was to go up early so that, because Galloway forest is like a dark sky area, so look at this nice clear sky, so it was like woo, we're on to a winner. But I don't know if you can see that over there, but we are driving towards a wall of cloud. So we'll have to see what happens. I mean, we're still about, I don't know what, we're still 142 miles away. 2.5, nearly 3 hours. Hey guys, we are about halfway there now. It's super dark and it's kind of half cloudy, half clear skies. So fingers crossed we hit the clear skies when we eventually get there. But can I just say, I really need a wee, and we haven't seen the services for about, I don't know, 40 minutes, and it's getting pretty dire in here. Hey guys, so it's about, I don't know, half midnight. We've been driving for, I don't know, hours?
4 hours.
4 hours. We finally found a spot, and tonight we're wild camping. So we found a spot, we'll show you in the morning when it's light and you can see where we are. We finally found a spot, so we're going to set up camp for the night. And yeah, we'll update you. But we did shoot the Milky Way. So once those photos are processed, they'll be over on our Instagram as well. But yeah, so we're gonna head to bed now. So we'll show you where we are in the morning and the sort of stuff that we like to look for when we are wild camping. But otherwise, night guys. Morning. Is that say morning?
Morning guys. So we've just woke up and we're packing the van up, ready to set off to try and find somewhere to go get some breakfast.
But I just wanted to show you guys, because it was dark last night, where we wild camped last night. So obviously this is the van here. If I pan out from the shot, you can see we've got a nice little like rural area pretty much. But the thing that's really important for us is that when we are wild camping, you've got a really like clear section from where the road is and then where we're camping. So we don't really like to do it where it's just like a little lay-by on the side of the road. We want like to see like a grassy bank or something like that. So it's very defined that we are off the road. So alright, let's go get some food.